Hi, come back. Let us see this reading passage comprehension. Okay, so what is given? Read the following letter from a parent to her son's coach and answer the questions given below. So, as I told you already, first of all, you have to understand the meaning of the question. So, what they have given? Read the following letter. So, a letter is given. Read the following letter from a parent. So, who had written this letter? A parent has written. To whom he had written? To her son's coach. அவங்கள சன்னோட கோச்க்கு எழுதியிருக்காங்க. Okay, so after reading, answer the questions which is given. Okay, let me explain you the meaning. So, what kind of letter it is? It is an informal letter. It is a friendly letter. It is not a formal letter. So, we can start with Dear. Dear coach, thanks for the special gifts that you have given to my child. Okay, thank you for the gifts that you have given to my child. You learned his name and spoke it often. Okay, so you had learned the name. That is, you know the name of my son. You had spoken about my son's name very often. You taught him the basics of the sport as well as special ways to improve and excel. So you have taught my son what are the basics in the sports, and also you have taught him the special ways, methods to improve and to become excel, that is, and to win. Okay, although you had a whole team of kids to mentor means to watch, to train up. Okay, although you had a whole team of kids. Okay, so even though you had a team of kids, நிறைய kids இருந்தாலும் you took time for individual instruction where needed. Okay, wherever needed, you had taken time for the individual instructions to be given to the children. Under your care, I have watched him transform from a timid, doubting child to a strong, happy player willing to give all for the team. Okay, so under your care. Under whose care? Under the care of the coach. I have watched. Who had watched? Parent had watched him, whom? Her son. Transform from a, that is her son changed from a timid means a person who is always feeling shy or nervous, frightened behave பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as timid. A person or a student or a children who is behaving frightened, nervous and shy is called as timid. So my son had a nature of timid, doubting child. Okay, so he is timid by nature. You had transformed my son from a timid child to a strong person. Okay, you had transformed him into a strong person, happy player, willing to give all for the team. So now he had changed to a happy and strong person who wishes to give everything for his team. Throughout the season, when he gave his best, even though it was not quite enough to gain that extra point, you recognized his contribution with a pat on the back and encouraging words. So, throughout the season, when he gave his best, so throughout the sport, okay, throughout the game, when he gave his best, even though it was not quite enough to gain that extra point. So, even though it was not enough to gain the extra points, you had recognized, you had appreciated his contribution, you had recognized his contribution with a pat on the back. Pat na enna thatti kudukuradhu. Okay, with a pat on the back and with the encouraging words. Okay, so when he was playing, even though that was not enough for winning, okay, what you have appreciated him with a pat on the back and with your encouraging words. Your wise approach showed him that although winning is a goal, there are other goals just as worthy. He learned the value of finishing what he started and joy of personal accomplishment. These attributes carried him through a season that was full of hard work and fun, discouragement and resolve, defeat and victory. So your wise approach, whose wise approach? The approach of the coach. Okay, showed him that from the approach of the that is kind approach of the coach. Okay, so my son had learned winning as a goal, showed him that although winning is a goal, there are other goals just as worthy. So winning ஒரு கோலாக இருந்தாலும் அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலான வேறு கோல்ஸும் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத my son had learned. He learned the value of finishing what he started and joy of personal accomplishment. Accomplishment means achievement. He learned the value of finishing what he started. So ஒரு விஷயத்தை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னா டெஃபினட்டாக we have to complete it அப்படிங்கிறத he had learned, and also he had learned the joy of achievement. Okay, personal achievement. These attributes carried him through a season that was full of hard work and fun, discouragement and resolve, defeat and victory. Okay, so these attributes had carried him through a season that was full of hard work and fun. So he had learned how to work hard, discouragement and resolve. Resolve means to find a solution to a problem. Defeat and victory, everything he had learned. He had learned about hard work, he had learned about fun, he had learned about discouragement, he had learned to resolve, to find a solution to a problem. He had learned the loss and also the failure and the success. Defeat means failure. So he had learned what is failure, he had learned what is success. So everything he had learned. And at the very end, at the championship meet, when he brought home his first place medal, you were among those who were so very proud of how far he had come. Okay, and finally, at the championship meet, when he brought home his first place medal, so during the championship meet, he had won and he had got the prize for the medal for the first place. You were among those who were so you were among those. Okay, amongna நிறைய பேர் அவனை appreciate பண்ணாங்க, அதில் நீங்களும் ஒருத்தர், who felt very proud of how far he had come. So என்னோட சன்னோட growth பார்த்து you felt very proud of my son. It is a victory to all of us. So definitely it is a success, it is a joy of celebration, celebrating the winning to all of us. What amazes me, amazes means what surprises. What amazes me is you have taught them skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, so you have taught all the students the skills which will be useful for them throughout their entire life, that is during their lifetime. You have kindled in them a desire, that is a will, a wish. Okay, to excel, எல்லாத்துலேயும் வின் பண்ணணும், டாப்பில் வரணுங்கிற desire, wish you have kindled, you have instructed in them, you had induced, instructed விட induced in them. Them means among the students. The medals, trophies and the ribbons are all symbols of real gifts. So the medals won by him, the trophies won by him and the ribbons won by him are all the symbols of real gifts. These most certainly have had to come straight from your heart. So definitely all this had come out of your good heart to learn, to teach everything to the students, that is to my son. Okay, so this was the thanksgiving letter from a mother to her son's coach. Okay, with appreciation, a parent. So this is the letter about. So what is this letter is? This letter is the appreciation letter for the coach written by a mother. Okay, so what are all the questions given? What did the coach teach the child? What values did the child learn? The parents noticed some changes in the child. So what were they? What were the changes? Read the letter again and write a few lines on each of the following. Things that the coach taught, transformation in the child, things that amazed the writer. Amazed means surprised. Writer, who is the writer? The parent is the writer, right? Next one, fifth question. Find sentences or words from the text which expresses the following. So you have to find sentence or words which is expressing this in the letter. Okay, the parents earlier view of the child. What is the parents earlier view of the child? Let me tell you one question for example. So what is the parents earlier view of the child? Timid, doubting child. Layam. So this is the view of the earlier view of the parent about her son. He was a timid and doubting child. Okay, one of the qualities of the teacher. Who is the teacher? Coach is the teacher. Words related to price. So price ku related on words. Okay, so answer all. Go through the letter twice. Okay, so I have taught you once. You have to go through the letter twice, 2 times, twice, and then you have to find answer for understand the meaning of the question, and then find answer for all the 5 questions and write it separately in a note. Okay, and send me. Okay, so it is a simple letter, just a thank giving letter from a mother to her son's coach. I think every one of you can understand it easily. Okay, thank you.